platform is almost the same hardware config. It's different. The different point is this one we use a hard disk drive, and this one we use a SSD drive. Now these two platforms, they do the same thing. They do the video converting function, and you can find when we use a hard disk drive, it takes around 5 minutes to convert the file, and we use the SSD drive, it just takes 2 minutes. You can finish the video converting function. Yeah, so you can find the SSD speed is much more higher than hard disk drive.
So to sum this up, it means that the SSD speeds to converting video is much more faster than the traditional hard drives we have in the market.